It didn't break. See? Totally won't break, did I? Right. Kelly, what do you think of Ciara's performance tonight?
I love that. I really did. I love that. I've got a big, massive grin on my face. I love the look. I love the attitude and the sass. And I think for you, this because you are, out of everybody in this competition, you've had the least experience whatsoever. So to come out and be able to perform like that, to involve the judges in part of your performance as well, that takes a lot of guts. It really does. So I got to give you, I want to be you. It was brilliant, it really was. Honestly,
Louise?
Yeah, Ciara, I'm not even going to concentrate on your vocals because that's not what this week was about for you. You've taken a massive leap in confidence this week. You're breaking stuff, you're pointing us down, telling us we should be you. And that was a big thing for you because normally, we've seen you stood at a mic stand or whatever and you're kind of quite still and kind of enclosed. And for you to open up like you've done tonight is a really, really big thing and you should be really, really proud of yourself. Vocally it wasn't perfect, but it doesn't matter because Upbeat Week has done its job for you to come out of your shell a bit. So well done, darling.
thank you.
Yeah, Ciara, everyone in the competition is on completely different journeys. We're all building our confidence in different ways and things like that. For you, like Kelly picked up, this is literally stepping out your bedroom, zero experience in anything to do with music, and then coming into Talented Cymru. So it has been quite a tough journey so far for you because you've really had to put all your hard work and commitment in. And fair play to you, that's exactly what you've been doing. You work really, really hard to be the best you can be. There is still a long way to go, as we've already established this in previous weeks. Vocally, there's a long, long way to go. But you are working hard. This week you have to come out, loosen up with your performance a bit. That's what you did. So well done to you. You stepped it forward, and that's all we need to be seeing. Well done.